Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I am going to discuss two creative questions from textbook. That is also example. So any creative example of textbook is so important. So I would like to discuss creative example of geometry. Dear student, the stem is in triangle ABC. AB equal to AC. BA is produced to D such that AD equal to AC. CD are added. Number one question: draw the figure based on the stem. Prove that BC plus CD is greater than 2AC. Prove that BCD equal to one right angle. Solution 1. 1. There is given information A B C is a triangle. B A is produced to D such that AD equal to AC. So CD is added. That is answer. Number 2. Given AB equal to AC and by construction AC equal to AD. For triangle BCD, BC plus CD is greater than BD because we know that summation of two sides all time is greater than third side. So or BC plus CD is greater than AB plus AD because BD equal to AB plus AD, or BC plus CD equal to AD plus AD because AB equal to AD, or BC plus CD is greater than 2AD because AD plus AD equal to 2AD. So BC plus CD is greater than 2AC because AD equal to AC. That is answer. Number 3. Given AB equal to AC, therefore angle ABC equal to angle ACB because we know that if any two sides are equal, the angle of opposite side, the opposite angle of this side of this side will be equal. So if AB equal to AC, so AB, the opposite angle of AB and the opposite angle of AC will be equal. So hence B angle BDBC equal to angle ACB. By construction AC equal to AD, therefore angle ADC equal to angle ACD. In triangle BCD, we can write angle BDC plus angle DCB angle BCD equal to 2 right angle because we know that the summation of three angle of any triangle will be two right angle or 180 degree. So we can write down uh, angle ACD plus angle ACB plus angle DCB equal to 2 right angle, or ACB plus ACD equal to BCD. Angle BCD plus angle BCD equal to 2 right angle because uh, we see that BCA plus ACD, we can write BCD. So angle BCD plus angle BCD equal to 2 angle 2 BCD. So 2 right angle. We can divide by 2 both sides. So we get angle BCD equal to 100 angle. That is hence proof. Dear students, example 2. PQR is a triangle. PA, QB and RC are three meridians which intersect at point O. Question number 1. Draw a figure based on the information. Question number 2. Prove that PQ plus PR greater than QO plus RO. Number 3. Prove that PA plus QB plus RC less than PQ plus QR plus PR. Number 1 is drawing. So PQR is a triangle. The median of so we can draw medians here, and Q, B and PA, which intersect in O point. That is drawing. Dear student, 2. From figure 1, it is to be proved PQ plus PR is greater than QO plus RO. Proof. Any two any two sides of a triangle are greater than the third side. We know that. So we can write in from triangle PQB, PQ plus PB is greater than QB. Again in triangle BOR, BR plus BO is greater than RO. We can denote it equation 1 and equation 2. By adding two equation, we get PQ plus PB plus BR plus BO is greater than QB plus RO. So we can write PQ plus PR BO. PQ plus PR BO is greater than OQ plus OB plus RO. So PQ plus PR is greater than OQ plus OR. Hence proof. Drawing number 3. Produce PA to D such that PA equal to AD at QD at QD. Proof. The figure triangle PQR produce PA such that PA to D such that PA equal to AD. QD is added. So in triangle QAD and triangle PAR, we can write QA equal to AR, AD equal to PA, and the includes QAD and the includes PR. We can also eat opposite angle because QAD and PAR. So triangle QAD congruent triangle PAR and QD equal to PR. The condition of congruent, we know that all sides will be equal. If in two triangle all sides are equal and all angle are equal, then it will be congruent. Now in triangle PQD, PQ plus QD is greater than PD. We know that summation of two side will be greater than third side, and PQ plus PR is greater than 2PA because PD A is a midpoint of PD. So PA plus PA. So PQ plus PR is greater than 2PA. Similarly, we can write PQ plus QR is greater than 2QB. PQ PR plus QR is greater than 2RC. We can denote it equation number 1 and equation number 2. After summation of equation number 1 and equation number 2, we can write PQ plus PR, PQ plus QR, PR plus QR is greater to PA plus 2QB plus 2RC, or 2PQ plus 2QR plus 2PR is greater than 2PA plus 2QB plus 2RC. We can write PQ plus QR plus PR is greater than PA plus QB plus RC. So PA plus QB plus RC is less than PQ plus QB plus PR. That is answer, or that is proof. Thank you everybody. If you don't understand anything, or if you feel any problem in any side or any portion or any segment of this problem or this answer, you can ask anything to my Facebook messenger or through my email. or any call my phone. Thank you everybody. Allah Hafiz.